So Richard, we're on the ONA stand. It's a brand I recognise, but it's not a machine I recognise. So tell us about this new machine.
No, so this is ONA's new standard level wire EDM machine. In the ONA product range, it sits slightly below the high level, high precision AV range. It's more suited to mass market and standard production, so covers most wire EDM applications.
So it's fair to say slightly less technology, slightly less money as well.
Yes, definitely. It represents very good value for money and very fast return on investment for customers.
So who do you think is going to buy it? Is it going to be an existing ONA user with a higher levels of technology, or maybe someone that's always been aspired to owning an ONA but never been able to quite get there financially?
Yes, like I said, it's a mass market machine, so it will cover the vast majority of applications.
And when you've looked at this machine, I know you've had success already with this machine in the UK and around the world. What's the feedback from the customers?
Yeah, very good, very positive, solid built machine. It's reliable and very easy to use.
Sounds good to me. Let's just quickly hone in on the machine itself. What are the options available on it? Well, what's it come with as standard, initially?
Yeah, so the ONA AD series is available in two different sizes, 400 by 300 X travel and 600 by 400 XY travel. The machine features submerged cut-in, auto wire thread, linear motors on the X and Y axes, and the auto wire thread system features re-thread at breakpoint through the erosion slot, and very reliable system.
So plenty on the machine for a standard machine. So it's fair to say this is a standard machine for ONA, but maybe other manufacturers, this would be their premium offering.
Yes, yeah, for sure, yeah.
As always, CNC controls are imported. Richard, tell us about this one. It looks very simple to use.
Yeah, very easy to use, very user-friendly. You have full graphical representation simulation on the machine. All of your technologies are there for standard applications, standard wires, different wire sizes, and yeah, just a very simple, easy to use control.
And just finally, CNC International, you're having a good time at the moment, selling plenty of technology. Is this going to help you out?
Yeah, this is a really good machine for us. It's adds to our portfolio and provides us with a very good standard level machine to offer our customers.